Want to turn your blurry, low-quality images into sharp, high-resolution photos for free? Let me show you how to do it with this powerful AI tool in just seconds. First, open any browser and search for Leonardo AI. I'm using Google Chrome for this example. Since I already have an account, I'll use a private window to show you the sign-up interface. Once you see the search results, click on the first link to visit the website. Now click on Get Started and sign up. You can choose to sign up using your Google account, Microsoft account, or an email address, whatever works best for you. Once you've signed up and logged in, you'll land on the main interface. Leonardo AI gives you 150 free tokens every day. These tokens are your free credits for upscaling images and more, so you can use the tool daily without spending a dime. For now, let's focus on the upscaling feature. After logging in, click on Upscaler from the menu. You'll be greeted with this simple, easy-to-use interface. Each image you upscale costs 30 tokens, so with those 150 free tokens, you can upscale 5 images per day, all for free. Click on Add Image. Here you can select an image from your previous AI generations or upload one directly from your file manager. Once you've selected your image, just click Upscale and let the tool process it. Once the process is complete, you'll see the before and after. If I zoom in closer, you can clearly see the difference: improved sharpness, more detail, and a much higher resolution. Now here are a couple of tips to get the most out of this tool. If you're working with multiple images, you can batch upload and upscale them to save time. Experiment with different images to see how well it handles different levels of pixelation and blur. It works wonders with portraits and landscapes. Keep in mind that while 150 free tokens are great, you can also purchase more tokens if you're working on a bigger project that requires more upscaling. And there you have it. Now you know how to easily upscale your images for free and get better quality in just seconds. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more cool tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments if you want to learn more about upscaling or any other useful tools. See you in the next one.